All right, what's up? A little tired because I'm getting ready for tonight, but what's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? So yeah, my lips were dry, so I had to get them together because you know your girl can't be on here with her lips dry. But anywho, we gonna get to this hair, right? Tonight I am going to be twisting at my hair. I'm struggling there. You see me? I'm struggling. But it's okay. Yeah, I needed to itch my hair because it was in that style for so long. And you know, when you gotta itch your hair, it takes a lot to do it. But anyways, I never do my hair with my rings on. So I have to take them off because I can't have like my hair be pulled out from my ring. So yeah, gotta put those boys away. But anywho, so that is water and with aloe vera juice. So I'm spraying that in my hair just so that, you know, my hair is a little easily managed, you know, when I go through it. And then I'm just going to get right into it, especially using my clips in order to make it way, way easier, you know. But you know, I'm separating my hair. Like I said, you know, I have to make my hair manageable. So separating it into sections make it way more easy. And like I said, it makes it manageable. I don't want to use large sections just based off of the fact that I'm not trying to, I guess, like mess up my hair. But you know, I'm really trying to make sure that I can get through it properly. I can detangle it and do all of that little great stuff that us naturals do, you know. So I'm gonna split my hair into two more sections just so that I am able to, you know, properly coat my hair with my product and I'm able to twist it. You know, I'm getting down right there. Yeah, you know, I'm just kicking it. Yeah, okay. All right, so I'm going to start, you know, with the aloe vera juice and the water. Spray it. I'm not gonna like make it that wet, but I do want to dampen it. I'm showing you guys I am only using two products here. So that is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I love this product, y'all. It's amazing. Love, love, love it. And I'm just going to use my second product, which is the Eco Styler Black Castor and Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed. You know, it's amazing. I really love that too. So, you know, like I said, I spray my hair first with the aloe vera gel, not gel, but water. And I just make sure I go through my hair with that just so I can detangle it a little bit just before I put like wetter, I guess, products on my hair. So we gotta pause for a minute. Do you guys see that twist? OMG, it looks terrible. But it's okay because we gonna fix it. We're going to fix it, y'all. I'm so upset about that. Disappointed in myself. But I'm just gonna move on, you know. So we're going to start over with this section right here. And as you see, I'm putting that product in my hair. I've sprayed my hair already. Just putting the curl enhancing smoothie on it. Then, you know what's next? The Jizzy gel. So I'm putting the gel in my hair and I'm just going to smooth that through as well. Now, you have to realize that you really have to take your time, smooth it through your hair, detangle your hair because as you're twisting your hair down, you just want to make sure that you're smoothing your hair out correctly just so that when you take the twist down, your hair just smooth out as possible in order for that hairstyle to look nice and for your hair not to be caught, especially if you have 4C hair like I do. You just want to make sure that your hairstyles come out correct. Now I'm getting a little up close and personal just so that you guys see, you know, how the product looks. It is like a little bit of excess product, but that's okay because it's going to dry up. And of course, I was not going to keep that twist the way, I mean, look at how it looked. It looked terrible. I was so disappointed in myself. Like, come on now. But it's okay because if our shit don't succeed, then dust yourself off and try again. Hey. But no, seriously, I just had to fix it because it was not going to come out right. And you guys will see later, I fixed it even more though. So just to be for real, let's be honest, I did. I fixed it a little bit later. I actually cut that section down into a smaller section, into 3, instead of just having the 2. So as you guys see, I skipped a part. I had to, make this video a little quick, so I'm almost finished. I have 2 sections left, and as you guys see, the back of my hair is a little bit more chunky or twist than the front of my hair, just because I wanted the front to be a little bit more defined than the back. The back's going to be defined, like I told you guys. I did split it into 3 opposed to having the 2 that I left you guys with, but it's okay. So I am, starting off with the front of my hair, and like I said, go through your hair with the product. Make sure you get the ends of your hair, just because the ends of your hair is, of course, the oldest. So you just want to make sure that those are moisturized and that is not, tangled. As you guys see, when I'm coating my hair, not only am I like running my hands through it, but I did use the prayer hands method in my hair a lot, just because I want to make sure that I'm coating every strand with product, because it's just good. It just makes for your hair to be more defined, and it makes for all of your strands of hair to get, a proper serving of, I guess, hair food. And I'm kicking it, I was kicking it a lot through this video. Well, even when it came off, I was kicking it, because that's just what I do when I'm doing my hair, because, it can take a long time to do our natural hair. So in the front, as you guys see, like I started twisting my hair backward, from my face, just so that when I did take my hair down, it kind of fell back. Like I didn't want it to fall forward, just because that's how I like my hair. I don't like it necessarily like all up in my face. I like it kind of framing my face, around my face in a sense. And it's the same for the other side as well. Like I said, I'm going to, twist it backwards, just so that it can frame my face in a different way, not frame it forward, I guess. Whatever. But yep, as you see, I'm still going to continue to coat the ends of my hair, just making sure that, the oldest part of my hair, which usually is like the weakest part, because it tends to break if you don't properly handle it. But I'm just making sure that I'm properly coating it, twisting it down. Getting down. I'm telling you, this stuff takes so long, when we do our hair, but it's definitely worth it in the end, especially if you got some music and you just kicking it and you care about your hair. But that was the last one, and as you guys see, I'm done. I have about, I want to say like a good 10, 12, I'm counting wrong because I see way more than that, but it's okay. Shake, shake, shake. Yes, as I did my hair, a lot of them did dry, but it's going to dry. It's going to be like, this is going to be a morning style. I'm going to go to sleep. I gotta get up in the morning and fix it. You see me? I'm all cute. I'll be like having to admire myself sometimes. But yeah, so I'm finished. Thank goodness. And I'm tired. But hold up. I'm not done yet, y'all. I'm not done. No. What's next? We got to get them edges. So that's Gorilla Snot, which is a great holder, okay? And of course, I have to put some castor oil on my edges, just because I want to continue to, have edges. So I put castor oil on my edges. With the Gorilla Snot, it's very drying. It's not like a good product, I guess, like, when it comes to moisture, it's very drying. It has alcohol in it, as does, a lot of gels. But that one in particular, oh boy. But I can say it lays your edges. It lays and slays those edges. So it's definitely needed, but like I said, that's exactly why I put the castor oil on my edges as a protectant before I put like a drying product like that on my edges. And then I just lay them down. I don't do anything, extra like with the swirls and stuff like that. I just want my edges to be laid. So, I mean, if they don't look slick and you don't see like some swirls and stuff like that, I'm okay with that. I'm totally fine with that. I just want my edges to lay down. And that's about all, because once I take down my hair, that's enough, So I don't really do like the curly Sue swirls and stuff like that. I wish I knew how to a little bit, but I guess it all depends. But now I got my scarf. Yes, it is that time. It's time to put on that scarf, baby. And, I don't necessarily like tie knots in my scarf just because, I don't know if you guys do, but when you wake up in the morning and you have like a knot, an indentation on your head, it does not feel great. And not only that, but those lines either. But anyways, I'm going to sleep. Peace out. All right, y'all. So I am back. It is now the next day, and I had to get my face together. So, I put some makeup on because I was a little dry, but I'm back popping, So I'm going to remove my scarf because now my hair is completely dry. My edges are laid, and I'm just going to check through, my twist just to ensure that everything is good and it is good to go. But I'm going to use argan oil. I'm going to put that on my hands in order to, untwist my hair. Now, the great thing about argan oil is that it is really good for smooth, dry hair. It absorbs quickly and it controls frizz and adds healthy shine to hair. So, that's what I'm going for after I remove the twist, I guess. I want to make sure that my hair doesn't look all dry and crazy. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my hands as I'm working through my hair. I'm just going to unravel the twist, and I start from the bottom and work my way up just because, you want to ensure that, you're not snagging your hair, because a lot of times when you don't remove your hair correctly when it comes to the twist, you want to ensure that you do that just so that you do not promote any knots, and which will damage your hair, especially because, like I said, the ends of your hair are the most old, and it's so easy to break the ends of your hair. But yeah, I'm very excited about this because it came out amazing. But as you guys see, I'm going to separate my hair where it naturally separates. I don't want to promote that much frizz, and I want to make sure that I keep the curl pattern as well, just because I like it. It looks really good. But as you guys see, I'm going through it. I'm separating it. I'm being gentle at the same time. I'm kind of smoothing my hair. Like I said, I don't want to promote frizz. And a lot of times, it's very easy to promote frizz. But the great thing about the products that I used, like it definitely kept my hair intact. And it kind of like, absorbed in my hair in a good way, whereas it's not frizzy at all. But I'm going to use that comb. I love this comb just because it's like a jack of three trades. But anyways, I'm going to use the bottom of the comb just because it's a wider tooth pick comb at the bottom. And I'm just going to, start from the root of my hair, and I'm going to work it out. Like I told you guys, I'm really not trying to manipulate my hair that much, but I am trying to promote volume in my hair. So I'm just going to kind of pick it out like a fro. And the way that I'm doing it is I'm like holding the bottom of, the curl, I guess, and I'm just going, from where my head is, which is root to tip in a way, but not all the way through, because we are trying to avoid frizz, y'all. Trying to avoid frizz. But yep, I'm just fluffing it. It looks great. I love the way it came out. as you guys see. And yeah, I'm going to do the other side. Basically, guys, I'm all done. Yeah, so hope you liked what you see. All right, guys, so I am finally finished with my hair. This is the end result. Yes, it came out amazing. I love it. I mean, it is defined. I don't know if you see that, but you know I had to come and do what I do best, and that is my hair, baby. Yes, yes, yes. So if you like this video and if you want to see more of my videos, please like and subscribe. I'm here for you. I'm here for you guys. You know, I will be doing this weekly, once a week. I haven't like put myself on a schedule just yet, but just know I'm coming. You know what I'm saying? It'll be more hair tutorials. It will be more. I want you guys to see my hair grow. I want you guys to see my hair, you know, flourish. I want you guys to see me during my winter, you know, time, because it's getting to that time, you know. I'm definitely a Ohioan, so you'll definitely see me. But no, seriously, for those who watch all the way through, thank you. I appreciate it. And like I said, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your girlfriend to tell a girlfriend to tell a girlfriend about my channel, because I'm coming, y'all. But peace, love, and happiness. And yes, thank you for watching it all the way through. Peace.